Opening the League of Legends Wild Rift, many users keep getting login timeout. Please try again and show an error code 100034. Now, if you have the same problem on your League of Legends Wild Rift game, follow only these 3 advanced processes to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1, make sure to boost your connectivity. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the additional setting, scroll down, tap the developer options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active the always mobile data on if you are using mobile data. Solution 2, change your internet protocol address. Tap and hold League of Legends. Tap App Info, tap Clear Data, tap Clear Cache, tap OK. After this, open the Google Play Store. Tap Search, type Touch VPN. Now install this VPN and set it up properly. After this, choose as or UK Internet server. Tap Connect. Solution 3, update the app. Before you do anything, make sure that you are up to date with the apps from the Google Play Store. Once you're up to the date with the app, now open up the game and check your problem. After following all the processes, your login timeout issues will be solved. Now still, if you have any issues, please comment down below.